Have you ever pondered the state of current aerospace maintenance? How might technology revolutionize this key aspect of our aviation industry? Today, we're going to delve deep into the cutting-edge world of mixed reality solutions and their role in redefining traditional aerospace maintenance practices. In the past, aerospace maintenance has been a complex, time-consuming, and costly process. But, as we're about to see, the emergence of mixed reality solutions is ushering in a new era of enhanced efficiency and precision. Take, for instance, the case of a leading aerospace company that recently adopted mixed reality solutions for maintenance procedures. Technicians now use smart glasses or headsets that overlay digital information onto the physical world, providing real-time, step-by-step 3D guidance. This not only reduces the time taken for maintenance tasks, but also significantly cuts down on errors. And the result? A safer, more efficient maintenance process that saves the company millions of dollars each year. Mixed reality is also transforming the way technicians are trained. By simulating real-world scenarios, trainees can practice maintenance tasks in a safe, controlled environment, becoming proficient before they ever touch a real aircraft. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and it's changing the face of aerospace maintenance as we know it. So what have we learned? Mixed reality solutions are more than just a novelty. They're a powerful tool that's revolutionizing aerospace maintenance. By merging the virtual and physical realms, these solutions are enhancing efficiency, improving accuracy, and providing unparalleled training opportunities. But perhaps most importantly, they're demonstrating the limitless potential of technology to reshape industries and redefine what's possible. As we move forward, there's no doubt that mixed reality solutions will continue to play a pivotal role in the evolution of aerospace maintenance. In the world of maintenance, the future is mixed reality, and that future is already here. So the next time you gaze up at the sky and see a plane soaring overhead, remember, there's more to that flight than meets the eye. Behind the scenes, mixed reality solutions are hard at work, ensuring that every journey is as safe and efficient as possible. So, buckle up and prepare for takeoff. The revolution in aerospace maintenance is well underway, and with mixed reality solutions at the helm, the sky's the limit. This is the dawn of a new era in aerospace, and it's an exciting time to be part of the journey. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology.